Man, I wish we were playing them in the finals. I'd love to kick their asses.
We are playing them in the finals.
Oh. Well, you know, there ain't no shame in second place.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and thanks so much for watching. Did you guys know that pizza is America's favorite food? That's right. Americans consume about 3 billion with a B, pizzas per year. That's a lot of pizza. While not being a huge fan of pizza as a kid, I got sick once when I was 8 on pizza from Fedco. Moving to New York City in the 90s changed all of that. A slice of Goodfellas on 14th and 7th was my go-to after auditions if they didn't go well. You know, instant comfort. So, with today's rising cost of just about everything, I frequently use America's Test Kitchen's pizza recipe for both a delicious and very economical meal. And you know what they say about cold or leftover pizza? Just as good. Okay, let's get started. So a kitchen scale is a baker's necessity, and I use mine to weigh out my bread flour. You can also use AP flour to 312 grams or 11 ounces. I add the other dry ingredients, 1 teaspoon of rapid rise or instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, I use kosher. Give it a quick stir. I also add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now you can leave it out, but I think it adds. Give it a quick stir. Now you'll need 8 ounces of warm water in between 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 41 to 43 degrees Celsius. And just combine the ingredients with a wooden spoon or spatula just to get things started. And with my impeccably clean hands, I'm going to go in and knead and combine the dough just for about a minute or until it comes together. It'll be pretty sticky. It's actually very easy. I'm going to spray a 9-inch pie plate with cooking spray and transfer the dough into the pie plate and pat it out into about a 7-inch round. Spray the top of the dough with cooking spray, which I forgot to show, and cover it with plastic wrap tightly and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. Now, I let mine sit for 3 days because the longer fermentation also builds more flavor. Just make sure it's tightly wrapped. 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a 12-inch or 30-centimeter cast iron skillet, which is a must-have for every kitchen. Oil your hands so the dough won't stick to them. And transfer the dough into the cast iron skillet. Using your fingertips, press the dough out to about 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters from the edge of the pan. Give it a cover and allow it to rise at room temperature for about 90 minutes. You'll see the difference there. You can press out some of the air bubbles and spread 1/2 cup or 118 milliliters over the pizza dough to about a 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter from the edge of the dough. Take the Monterey Jack cheese, and using about 2 ounces of cheese, you want to form a wall around the perimeter of the pan. It's okay if a couple of pieces of cheese go into the sauce. And using your fingertips, press into the edges of the pan lightly. This will form a wall. Now this cheese will fry against the pan when it's in the oven, making a frico, which is just so good. Spread your sausage, or your pepperoni, or your vegetables, whatever you fancy. And with the mozzarella cheese, sprinkle evenly across the top, about 7 ounces, or again, whichever you prefer. Into a preheated 425-degree oven on the lower rack for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And that's what you come out with. A delectable, tasty pizza. Now let it sit for about 10 minutes after removing from the pan before cutting. And enjoy. I heard you're supposed to cut from the center out. But this you can make for about $2 US, and you might not go back after trying this, which I hope you do. I think you'll be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.